Guys, I just got a package from Brad's workbench. Wonder what could be inside. Alright, let's see what's in here. Some more tongue wax and sanding paste. There we go. 2 bottles of tongue wax and sanding paste. I love these new bottles, Brad. I absolutely love them. If you guys haven't tried out Brad's tongue wax yet, you definitely need to. It is a game changer. Make sure you follow his instructions to get the absolute best results. And thank you so much, Brad, for sending this over. If you're not a turner, he also has tongue oil that you guys can try out too if you're making cutting boards or anything really.